With the recent increase of hate raids on Twitch, everyone's being scared of what's gonna happen and how to prevent those hate raids. Well, I have one solution that is really good and they can prevent at least some of them for the near future, or for at least, you know, just a little bit of time for you to get settled and ready for that. If you guys don't know, my name is Agent. I'm a Twitch partner. I stream every single day except Sundays. Link down in the description below. I would love to see you there. So if you want to stop in, it would mean the world. Anyway, hate raids. They've been a thing for a while now. People are getting chat spammed by a bunch of different bots, bunch of different accounts that are spamming some hateful stuff. There's one way to prevent it. If you have already seen my video for Commander Root's a tool to remove fake followers, that is really, really good. We're gonna use another tool from Commander Root, and I'm gonna show you how to use it and why it is really, really good. So let's go into it and let me show you how it really works. So what you will have to do is go to the block list manager, or the link down in the description below. I'm gonna leave it, obviously. So you go to this website, obviously Commander Root. If you don't already know, he has all the amazing tools for Twitch streamers, for, you know, banning and blocking and follower removing. So it's really, really good. I highly recommend to check his website out. If you go to the block list manager, you click login via Twitch, it's gonna load all of your previous blocks. If you don't know, blocking someone on Twitch now basically blocks them from following you in the future, or just any chat or anything like that, so they won't be able to just even follow you or engage with you in any kind of way. Commander Root basically has a list, a big list, updated every single day for all the known bot accounts, so you can just run this tool every day or every few days to remove all of the fake accounts that are on the list that are known bot accounts, so you will not have them in the chat for any time, basically, until they create new ones, which hopefully Twitch does something about it. That way we don't have to worry about it too much. So all you do is go to the website, click login via Twitch, and then wait for it to load all of your blocks. Since I have like over 1 million blocks already, because I've used this tool before, I will have to wait a long time. So I'll cut to the actual loaded blocks, and then I'll show you how to do it after that. Since the block tool would just take way too long, I already have the block list run in the background. What you do is, well, like when you open the actual block list, when it loads up, you will see these different buttons. All you have to do is click on add new blocks, and then once you click on that, you'll see a button right next to it say add all known bot accounts to the block list. So you click on that, and then the website starts running the tool, blocking all of the known bot accounts. And as you can see right here, adding users to block list, there's still 300,000 left. When I started it, it was like 400,000. Like a month ago when I did it, it was like 3 million left. So there's a bunch of them added every single day. Sadly, Twitch is doing something about it, but not in a fast way. So they keep just making more and more and more. Hopefully in the future, there's not gonna be that many. And hopefully we'll be actually able to do something against them to just prevent them, because overall what is happening right now is just not normal, and streamers shouldn't go through it. Basically, keep in mind that this tool will not block any of the chat bots like Stream Elements, Streamlabs, Nightbot. You don't have to worry about them being blocked or banned. Those are not the malicious bots that are being targeted in the chat or channels or stuff like that. So make sure to just run this. You will not be don't worry about it, you know, doing any false blocks. If anything happens, I guess the person is gonna DM you and let you know that they got blocked, but usually 99.999% of the time that will not happen, because they use really, really good tools to find out who's a bot and who is not a bot, malicious bot at least. I know this is a short video, but it will help a lot of people out, so make sure to check this tool out. I might sound a bit like this video is sponsored, but again, this is not a sponsor stream or anything like that. I just use Commander Root's tools. I feel like every one of my friends uses the tool as well, uses the website as well, because it's so freaking good and it's so nicely done for streamers. If Twitch is not gonna do it, well then someone else is gonna do it for them. So huge shout out to Commander Root. Again, if you guys did like this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't know, I stream on Twitch every single day except Sundays. Link down in the description below. I would love to see you there. And yeah, hope to see you in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye bye.